Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelly. Welcome to the Captain America workout. Today I'm going to show you guys some awesome Captain America moves. We're going to get started with the warm-up. Make sure you repeat after me because we're going to count in Korean. Ready? Everyone start repeat after me. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job. Awesome. All right, start rotating arms just like this. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good. Going the other way. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job. Awesome. All right, now feet apart just like this. Hands on your knees. Turn your shoulder to one side. Repeat after me. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good. Other way now. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good. Arms crossed, sit down to the middle. Last one. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job. Awesome. All right, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Ready? 차렷. 그녀. Awesome. All right, we're going to practice some Captain America punches. When I say fighting stance, I want you to take your right foot back, both ends up. Fighting stance. Good. Awesome. All right, when I say jab, we're going to throw a jab in my count. Ready? Everyone together. Say jab, 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 jab. Good. Nice. Now we're going to throw a cross. Make sure you twist that back leg. Repeat after me. Everyone say cross, 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 cross. Nice job. Now we're going to practice hooks. We're going to swing our arm this way. Pick this heel off the ground. Ready? Repeat after me. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job. Nice. Now last week we did uppercuts with Mario, so we're going to do the same thing now. Ready? Repeat after me with this hand. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job. Awesome. All right, Evan, keep bouncing your knee like this. Good. Nice. Now this time, we're going to practice a double punch combination. So we're going to go double jab in my count. 2 punches. Ready, go. Double jab. Good, go. Double jab. Good, go. Double jab. Awesome. Good job. Now this time, we're going to go double jab, cross this time. So 2 punches with the left, then 1 hard right hand. Let's see who can punch the hardest. Ready, and go. Double jab, cross. Good. There you go. Double jab, cross. Good. There you go. Double jab, cross. Good job. Awesome. All right, now this time, Captain America, he likes to box a lot. So we're going to practice slips and rolls. When we slip today, we're going to bend this back knee and turn our shoulders like this. So that way if a punch is coming at our face, we're moving out of the way. Okay, so let's practice that together. All right, everyone together. Slip. Good. Slip. Good. Slip. Awesome. Nice. Now we're going to slip this way now. We're going to turn this back knee and turn our shoulders this way. Keep your hands in the face. Ready? Slip. 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 Awesome. Good. Okay, now this time we're going to practice a roll. Okay, when we roll, we're going to make a U shape with our chin. So watch me. We're going to bend our knees, come on this side, and then we roll again. Back to this side. Let's try that together. Ready? Everyone say roll. Good. Roll. Good. Roll. Good. Roll. Awesome. All right, now we're going to put everything together. We're going to start with the jab. Repeat after me. Everyone say jab, cross, hook, slip, hook. Okay, we're going to practice that combination. Ready? Again, everyone go jab, cross, hook, slip, hook. Nice. Good job. One more time. Even faster. Ready? Go jab, cross, hook, slip, hook. Nice. Good job. Awesome. Good. All right, keep bouncing your feet like this. Good. Now we're going to do some Captain America exercises. Now Captain America, he has a really big chest, big shoulders, big arms. So we're going to make sure we get those nice and big today. Let's do push-ups. Ready? So you can have your feet apart, hands just like this. Awesome. All right, we're going to do a Captain America push-up. So when I say down and up, we're going to stand up, throw 2 punches. Understand? All right. Ready? When I say 하나. Ready? 하나. Good. 2 punches. Come back down. Ready? Do it. Good. 2 punches. Good. Come back down. Ready? Set. Good. 2 punches. Come back down. Almost done. Net. Good. 2 punches. Come back down. All right. Last one. Toss it. 2 punches. Nice job. High fives. Good work. Good work today. Ready? 차렷. 그녀. Awesome work, you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey, homeschool parents. Are you looking for an activity to help your kids get more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at co-op, and I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.